Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Abdul Rafe and today we are going to start off with a new chapter of marketing. We have done what is marketing and now we are going to do market research. So first in market research is of course the topic of what is the market research and why do we actually need it, the types of market research, the limitations and etc etc. So let's just dive into the definition first. Market research is actually the process of collecting, recording, and analyzing data about customers, competitors, and the market. You are actually understanding what are the changes in demand, what is the competitor doing, the prices, the type of products being made, what is happening in the market and all. All of this collection of data, first you collect it, then record it somewhere, and then there's the analyze. Sometimes there's a fourth step of interpretation as well, but we can include that in analyzing as well, because we are actually analyzing what the data is, making that data useful for the business actually. So the basic definition of market research is that it is the process of collecting, recording, analyzing data about the customers, the competitors, and the market. You are trying to understand the changes in demand, the patterns in supply, and all. So, why is it needed? Why do we actually do market research and all? Well, it is for the better understanding of the market and predict future changes. You are trying to understand, okay, what are the prices in market, what might be the prices in market. Like if the selling price is supposed to decrease, then you should change, go to a cheaper supplier. So you try to understand what is going on in the market currently, and then hence predict what might happen, so your business can respond accordingly in order to gain a competitive edge. So it is also used to identify and keep up with market trends. So if there's some new machineries or some new way of promoting method, a new way of promotion, so what the brand leader is doing, other business will also try to follow that. Whatever the trend is, other businesses will try to meet up with that trend to provide the customers with the demand. So if you don't even know what's the trend, how can you match up with it? Hence it's important to understand what the trend is, and hence we do market research. Okay, so to predict the changes and then to identify the trends and all. The third thing is that it reduces risk with new product launches. This is in particularly important for which market? Can you guess? You're maybe right. It's niche market. I hope you guessed it right. Yeah. It's important for niche market because that's the market which focuses on specific groups of customers. So if you can identify those customers, analyze data about them, so it reduces the risk of launching that new product. But it could also be for mass marketing as well. If you are launching some new product or making a new product, so market research helps to understand what is the demand, what is the changes in pattern, so you can launch your product accordingly. And the next point is about that it helps to improve public relations as it provides a link to market trends. Now, what is meant by this public relations thing? Well, you are actually trying to meet up with your customers' demands and meet up what they want. If you are according to that market trend, you are predicting what they might do, then there's a chance that your relationship with your customers will grow. And why is this important is that they won't only come themselves, they'll also have spread the word. They'll also have a good word of mouth to other friends and families and all, due to which our customer base will increase. So hence it provides a link to market trends. And our this topic is actually related to CRM, customer related management, where you try to improve your relations with customers so as to retain the old ones and attract new customers. So that's why we might need market research. The next thing is that it helps in decision making related to marketing issues, as we discussed earlier about the changes in price. Like if the prices are decreasing for selling price is decreasing for a product, then you might have to explore cheaper options to maintain your profit margin, and so you can also meet up with the competition. All these decisions are marketing related, so it needs to be addressed through market research. And finally, we have the point of it helps to explain the patterns of sales of existing products. Now, it helps to explain the patterns of sales of existing products is actually that whatever is going on, if your sales, for example, are decreasing and you don't know why they are decreasing, you carry out market research to understand what is it that the customers wanted and if you are able to provide it or not. And perhaps you are giving your best, but the competitors have an competitive edge. They are giving some USPs and all, due to which they are attracting your customers as well. So it helps to explain the existing patterns of sales, existing patterns, not previous, not future, existing as well. So that's about market research. We have discussed about what it is and why is it needed. In the next lectures, we are going to talk about the primary market research and the methods of primary market research. Hope you guys understood the topic. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.